Pizza heaven?
My wife won't admit it, but she loves pizza.
Who doesn't like pizza?
What's up, everyone? This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere with my wife Anna.
Hi.
And today we're doing a taste test of
Pizza.
pizza. We love pizza. We eat it like, I'd say once or twice a month.
We haven't had pizza in a long time.
It's been a long time. That's why we're doing
Since this
it.
pandemic, it's been a lot of cooking, not a lot of pizza.
So we're doing 3 of America's top pizza chains. Pizza Hut versus Domino's versus Papa John's. I'm a little biased. I grew up with Pizza Hut, but
Me
then
too.
eventually I dived into Papa John's. I love that it comes with jalapenos. And then Domino's in the recent years, for some reason, we've been having Domino's. But
Yeah, I don't know why that is. I think because your sister always orders Domino's.
I think so. I think because they have like a $5 pizzas or something on a Wednesdays or something like that.
I don't know.
I don't know.
But today we're gonna just go for the gold.
We're gonna go for the gold. We're gonna get 3 larges, so 1 from each chain, and we're doing it all delivery. Obviously, being safe, we're not leaving our home.
Nope.
And we're gonna order it all right now on the computer.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a deal on Pizza Hut website where you can get a $9.99 large one-topping pizza.
Right here. Let's do it.
Oh, so they like show you the pizza and let you build it. Okay.
So 1 topping is $9.99.
Hand tossed.
So hand tossed,
Uh-huh.
large
Classic.
8 slices, classic marinara, cream garlic, barbecue. No, cream.
let's just do
classic.
classic. Regular amount of cheese.
Crust, just regular.
Yeah. What do we want on our Pizza Hut pizza? Pizza Hut has really good ham because they crisp it up.
So we're just gonna get ham for this one.
We can get ham. Oh no, it's a one-topping pizza.
Just 1 topping. But you can add more toppings. I think they'll go up in price, right? Or no?
Okay, then got a pepperoni.
I mean, we usually get the meat lovers, but I don't know, pork, no.
Let's get a veggie.
Veg. Mushrooms, no. Green bell peppers.
Okay.
Continue. Add cheese, no thanks.
I like that you can
Extra cheese?
No, we don't need extra cheese.
No, I'm good. Okay.
Okay, so no. Just
Said
say
no.
if you order.
If you order,
$1.50 for the.
yep.
Okay.
So it's $16.66.
They do charge you a delivery fee.
Yeah, $5 obviously. $4.25. We don't have a coupon code.
Oh.
All right. Place our order.
So that was pretty easy. Now let's see how easy the other websites are.
Okay. So you gotta wait.
Please don't close this window.
Okay, we received your order. Awesome. So let's go Papa John's. Thank you. So, how are we doing this one?
Any large pizza, $14.
Up to 5 toppings? What? That's good. So what do you want to go with? Meat lovers? Oh, we love the meat lovers.
Meat lovers, that's good.
Is that it? So check out. Let's see this. Okay.
Papa size it. Make it an extra large.
Nah, I think we're good.
That's crazy.
That's great.
And the delivery is cheaper on Papa John.
Yes,
Hello,
hello.
my name is Angel. I'm calling from Pizza Hut because I need verify your address for delivery, please.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome. So we're spending like $2 more here.
Yeah, but you get 3 more toppings.
Yeah. So place your order. Everything's correct. Perfect. Thank you, David. Awesome. Domino's. So how does this work? Choose any of 2 or more. Mix match. All right. So let's just go to the regular menu.
Okay, menu.
Okay. So hand tossed.
Hand tossed.
Perfect.
Another
Another large.
pizza picture.
Hand tossed. Cheese and sauce. So what are we getting?
What do you want with this one?
Let's change it up, right? We have 2 like anchovies.
Ew. Disgusting.
Too much. I don't know.
We already got, well, we have to put maybe some pepperoni on this one too.
Yeah.
To be fair.
To be fair, yeah. And then I love all this stuff here, but you don't. So what do you like?
I mean,
What would you like here?
black olives and mushrooms.
Yeah, you're gonna eat that?
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's getting adventurous.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, they offer you a sauce.
You want a sauce or no?
I don't know. Maybe you can get a sauce and then compare it to the Papa John's sauce, the garlic sauce. Oh, 50 cents.
Just remove the garlic. No? Okay.
You said it was complimentary.
They're lying.
We don't need this sauce.
Yeah, you sure?
We don't need it.
Okay.
Alright, so 1 large 14-inch hand-tossed pizza with pepperoni, black olives, and mushrooms.
So we're gonna eat
300 calories.
a slice. So we're gonna eat this for the next 2 days.
Okay, now my store. Got it.
Everything's perfect.
So it's all around the same price, between $20
and $26. This is with delivery, with tip, and these are larges.
Yeah, and all of them are offering contactless delivery, so we don't have to like come into contact with our driver, and he doesn't have to come in contact with us, and everybody's just
knocks and it's there.
Distancing.
Place your order.
Yeah.
We ordered the food. Now we wait.
We wait for the delivery. We already tipped them on. You know, everybody's contactless.
So we're done.
This is the new pandemic norm.
Hello.
Hi, you can leave it. It's fine.
Have a good one.
You too. Bye. He ran away.
All right, so we have all 3 pizzas. They literally came in the same like 10 minutes.
This was the only real contactless one. And he had a mask. The other 2 didn't have a mask.
All right, guys. So this is it.
They all came within 10 minutes of each other.
Literally, like, what was first? I think Papa John's.
Papa John's, then Pizza Hut, and then Domino's came.
Okay, and we ordered first Pizza Hut, Papa John's, then Domino's, but it's fine. All right, awesome.
We have here a pepperoni and green pepper pizza.
Here we have the meat lovers with a jalapeno, only one, hard times. And here we have mushrooms, pepperoni, and black olives. Wow, they all look delicious. I cannot wait, I'm excited. Look at this, oh my God.
They look really good. Start on your end.
My end, you wanna go with this one first? And which one is this one? Domino's?
Domino's.
Domino's, okay.
Pepperoni, mushrooms, black olives.
Oh man.
We got pepperoni in all 3 because we have to be fair and we have to have one thing constant. Plus they're all hand tossed and regular amounts of cheese.
Oh wow.
Thank you.
You see? Yeah, you definitely need this because, all right.
Cheers.
Cheers. My childhood. Right?
No, this you said was your childhood.
I know, I'm just saying pizza in general. I used to eat a lot of pizza. So, this one, already a lot of tomato sauce. I got like a big burst of it.
There's a lot of cheese on it too.
Oh, I love the black olives. Black olives all day.
It tastes like crust. The crust has like a garlic powder on it. Right?
And the garlic, crunchy. Wow, I'm just inhaling this.
The black olives are not strong. Actually, I don't even taste them.
For me, the pepperoni is what I don't even taste at all. The tomato sauce, the cheese, the mushrooms, and the black olives just like overwhelm the flavors here in comparison to the pepperoni.
The crust is good. The crust is my favorite part of the Domino's pizza.
I have to agree. Wow, delicious.
That was fast.
I know. I told you. I basically fasted today again. I had a banana this morning.
I had a yogurt.
Next one was gonna be this one, right? Meat lovers?
We didn't get napkins again?
Again. I'll get napkins, don't worry, it's right there. But I wanted to show you the jalapeno. Papa John's always comes with jalapeno. They used to come with 2, now they come with 1.
And it also comes with
It's so good.
the classic garlic dipping sauce. Yeah, so we pour it on.
Oh, I don't
We
know.
dip.
Let's dip, let's
It
dip.
says dipping sauce.
Yeah, let's dip. It'd be a little too much. Wee. No, it didn't pop. Let's put it right there.
It basically looks like melted butter.
It basically is.
So this was the meat lovers pizza. So it has bacon, pepperoni, ham,
And sausage.
sausage.
Anything else?
We'll find out.
Oh my god. Okay, same thing on the cut.
Yeah.
Which slice do you want? This one?
Yeah.
There you go. Let's take this one. It's already basically open. Let's both dip.
Woo.
Mm. Whoa, that garlic. Overwhelming. Mm-hmm.
This is a loaded pizza.
It is loaded. Every bite is jam-packed with like all the different hearty meats. Wow.
I'm gonna try the crust.
Mm.
The crust doesn't have anything special on it,
No? Butter crust?
but it's fluffy,
Mm.
and I like that.
I mean, it's just a mountain of meat. We got cheese. Tomato sauce is like, I'd say a third compared to this one in terms of sauciness. Cheese, heavy on the cheese.
They definitely didn't go cheap on the toppings.
No, at all.
Like,
Not it.
they're loaded. Like,
Mhm.
there's a pepperoni, and underneath there's a sausage, and underneath the sausage was a piece of ham.
Mm. The sausage is so good. I'm gonna have to dip one more time to the garlic. Here for the crust.
I don't think it is a garlic. I'm not a fan of the garlic.
No need.
Pizza heaven?
My wife won't admit it, but she loves pizza.
Who doesn't like pizza? Everybody loves pizza. It's just everybody's very particular about their pizza.
Yeah.
This is huge.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give this one a little break.
Give it a break. Last one. Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut. Now that I look at it, doesn't look like it used to look to me as a young person.
Nah, at all. I actually used to go to Pizza Hut. They had on Tuesdays, they had buffet. My brother and I, for like $9, we'd eat like, I'd say like 8 slices each. And they also had like a dessert one. My dad was super happy thing was there. We ate like nonstop.
All you can eat?
All you can eat. Pizza Hut buffet.
Oh my god.
I know, it's too much.
Alright, well, I'm gonna get one that has about
lot?
the same amount of green peppers as peps.
Let me get this one then.
Cheers.
Okay. Cheers. Not a huge fan.
This one doesn't have a lot of cheese on it.
Nope. It's like a thin layer.
Let me taste the
Sauce, also very light.
light on the sauce. I'm gonna try the crust. It's a doughier crust than the other two.
Mm-hmm.
A little chewier. Doesn't taste bad.
Doesn't taste bad. I mean, it's okay. It's not my favorite.
Not my favorite.
In terms of the crust, they also have it with cheese stuffing, right?
Oh no?
If you wanted to. I think so. I think it's Pizza Hut. Because that's why the doughiness to it is a little fluffy. A little different from the rest of these. This one was more crunchy and crispy. This one was more garlicky.
For
And
me, the tie between the crust is these two because even though they're different, I like them equally. And this one's my least favorite crust.
Okay.
This is actually my least favorite pizza.
Me too.
Damn. Childhood dreams.
Mm-hmm.
Shattered.
I mean, it's an okay pizza.
Yeah, I'm not gonna finish it.
I'm not gonna finish it either.
I guess overall, had to be Papa John's then. Even though the crust is really good, this came with 2 extra things, the sauce and the jalapeno. The ingredients are better, the pepperoni tastes real, and the crust is, I feel like it's a real hand-tossed pizza. It's nice and fluffy. I feel like somebody made this pizza.
This is also more expensive. I think it was $5 more than that one. That one's under 20. That was like 21. This is 26 total with delivery and tip. So yeah, I mean, for me also, number 1, 2, 3, and I think I overdid it with pizza.
We can give some away.
Yeah.
No contact.
To our family, we're just gonna drop it on their doorstep. Guys, in America, it's customary to tip 15% minimum. These delivery drivers are going out there, they're risking their lives in a pandemic to deliver your pizza. So definitely tip them. I'd say minimum 15%, but whatever you can. All right, guys, so that is our taste test of Pizza Hut versus Domino's versus Papa John's. Papa John's is the winner. Best pizza by far of all these.
Clear winner.
Clear winner. And if you guys have ever tasted any of these pizzas, please let us know which is your favorite. Pizza Hut, Papa John's, Domino's. I mean, there's so many other brands in America, but these are the top 3 in our neighborhood. So yeah, hope you love this video. Leave us a comment below and subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next mukbang. Peace. Do you want another one?